you guys my Crocs for you Croc lovers. These are caught. One of these fell off. I'm gonna glue them with some Gorilla Glue to make sure that they stay secure. But these are called, which are these called? The Classic Line Pop Strap CLOG. These are women's 10, men's 8. I thought they were so cute. I haven't worn them yet. As you can see, the tag is still on. So I just wanted to make sure that my jewels are all secure, so if I wear them, they don't fall off like this one. I ordered these from eBay, but as you can see, some of them I've already glued, but I'm gonna just re-glue them again. I don't know if I'm gonna just glue them inside the Crocs or if I'm gonna just glue them on the little thingamajigger here. But yeah, these are too cute. All right, peace out. These all-terrain clogs are really comfy, and these charms are excellent. They haven't came off or anything, so I would highly recommend these. I'll leave the link below. I bought these off of Amazon as well. And then here's my pink ones, and I'll leave the link to these charms as well. So thank you guys for watching my video. See you in the next one.